पावस खूब मुखार गेला, अजून पावस पडूना. राज्यांत गरमी खूब वाडल्या. भुरग्यांक वर्गांत बसपाक त्रास जाता. पावस पडसर भुरग्यांक शाळेत बेगीन सोडची म्हण शिक्षण खात्याच्या संचालकाक निवेदन सेसील रॉड्रिगीस हांणी भेटयलां. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Today we are here at the director of, we came to meet the director of education for only one purpose, is because the monsoons have got delayed and it's very, very hot in the classrooms. It's not only our children but lot of children all over Goa who are facing this inconvenience. And on the 5th of June, on the first day of when the schools reopened, we had emailed the CM. I think so Brian got in touch with all 46 parents and we made a representation through email to the CM stating that, sir, please postpone in reopening of the schools. But it was in vain, because next day I tried to get an appointment with the CM to discuss about this. He was traveling out station and there was no date of his return. So we waited for a day, but still there was no response. That's why today we came to meet the director of education and do a submission. And the reason why we are doing this, there are few pointers. When the schools reopened up, first of all, is the heat wave that is on in the classroom. Though it's like around 34 or 35 degrees, it feels like 40 degrees in the classrooms. Secondly, there's water shortage that's happening all around Tiswadi side. And I'm sure not only Tiswadi, all over Goa people are facing water crisis, where wells also are dry, not sufficient water in their homes. Secondly, tanker shortage asa. Tankers, non-availability of tankers are a big problem right now because of even the schools needing tankers. So this has been one situation where parents have told to us about this water crisis. Thirdly is power cuts. On the first day of the school, there was this one principal who called me up and said, "Sister, there were 3 times power cuts for more than half an hour to 30 minutes, which was unbearable." I met one second standard year student in that school and I said, "How was class today? Was it hot?" She said, "Teacher, there was no fans, there was no electricity and it was very hot in the class." So this is the situation that we are facing right now. But as per the rules that the director has to follow, he's saying that 220 days is a must, and we just have to pray for the rains to come. And I think so in this coming year the national games are going to be held in Goa, so it's going to be held somewhere by the end of October and by the mid of November. So they also are planning to have their exams. Exams might be preponed. So the director also saying we are also stuck with this kind of situation. We want to, but we can't take a collective decision on the same. And I think so he's just following rules and regulations as per. But the main person is the Chief Minister. I wish the Chief Minister can intervene and take a decision and at least say like a half day that can be given to the students. That is our demand. At least a half day till the rains come down and the classes are more comfortable.